HumanWare croit que la lecture et l'écriture du Braille sont des compétences clés pour les jeunes vivant en situation de handicap visuel. En tant que fier partenaire du Braille Challenge, nous avons offert des appareils Braille aux gagnants de l'édition 2021. Écoutez cette vidéo pour découvrir ce que certains des gagnants avaient à dire.
Hey! My brilliant! Yay! Thank you for everybody, for this amazing Braille challenge. I'm so happy they invented this. Oh, I can't believe it.
This video is of me reading on my Brilliant. I'm using Bookshare, and it says, Chapter 27. For once, I wasn't woken up by the sound of tapping.
Hey Leo, what's your favorite thing about the Brilliant?
I really like all the features, the easy connectivity. Thank you, HumanWare, for the Brilliant. I'm using it at home to read and do other homework.
Hello, my name is Salome Cummins, and I start 5th grade tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm excited to read and write on this for school and at home just for fun. I have a passion for reading Harry Potter, so thinking about doing that once I get this thing connected to Wi-Fi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, HumanWare, for donating this Braille Touch Plus as the prize. I've loved using it for college. I'm using it with my college math class. I have all my notes on there that I've been taking during class. I'm also Bluetoothing it with my computer to use with JAWS, and I'm just really enjoying having this Braille Touch Plus. Thank you for donating it.
Thank you, Braille Institute and HumanWare, for my brilliant BI40X. I love that I can use it for note-taking, I can use a calculator, and I can connect it to my computer and my iPad. I can't wait to use it for high school this year.
Félicitations aux gagnants. Vous êtes une source d'inspiration pour un monde meilleur et plus inclusif. Nous attendons avec impatience l'édition 2022 du Braille Challenge. Pour en savoir plus sur nos solutions Braille, consultez le site www.humanware.com.